Hi everybody, I hope everybody is in good health and good spirits. I'm here today to share my period story. This is an initiative by Good Universe NGO, and thank you so much Shanka Vinesh, my dear friend and a very talented stylist and designer, and a very caring heart and a very good heart, big heart with a bigger social responsibility, whatnot. I just can't stop talking about Seshi. Thank you for nominating me to share my period story. My first experience of periods has been very dramatic because there was a confusion whether they started or not. It's really funny. But I belong to a what do you call, higher caste community, society, whatever you call it. I'm really not in touch with this terminology, but very conservative community, and my upbringing after my period started has been really life changing, and suddenly I felt not belonging to the family or the community. Every month, those 5 days, actually 3 days, so we were all treated. I belong to a family where there were all three sisters. We are three sisters, and it's like we used to take turns with our menstruation cycle. So I remember I was made sit aside for 3 days, for 14, the first time 13-14 days, and there was this huge celebration end of that period. And I didn't understand, honestly. I didn't understand a bit of it. I'm the eldest one of the daughters, and it was an all new experience for me. I was made eat a lot, and it was entirely a different thing. Now, after I understood, I realized what it actually is after so many years. I'd say it's been about 17-18 years from then. It was totally, I was mistreated, honestly. I don't blame my family for that, because it has been over the generations, over the period of time, that's been taught, that's been passed on. And thankfully I was well treated that first period, but later on, the time when a woman or a girl needs the most of the rest and comfort, we were made sleep on the floor, and we were made to wash our own vessels and then clothes and do our own stuff. Every time we were treated untouchables, and I honestly used to argue that time that if you think this is bad blood, then it is there with me or with us, the girls. Throughout the month, it is being shredded out those 3 to 5 days. So we were supposed to be considered pure during those 5 days, and rest of the time the bad blood is within us, so we were supposed to be untouchables. And then I used to raise questions like, don't men have bad blood? They behave most badly, so they should have don't they have the bad blood and stuff like that. But now I know the importance and the stigma around menstruation and the whole process. I want to address 2 classes here. First class will be the interiors, where it is still considered a taboo and people are very shy to talk about. They feel ashamed that this happened, and they are all hush-hush about it. And the other class is the generation right now, boys, men, who make fun of PMSing. If a woman or girl is really angry or having mood swings, they just joke about it, that are you PMSing? I want you to realize that you have to be really, I don't know, I'm just speechless right now, because there's so many emotions running through me when I want to address this issue. You should feel blessed that you have women in or girls and girls in your family, be it as your mother, as your wife, as your daughter, as your sister, as a friend, as your teacher, as your neighbor, as your aunt, or anybody, because we exist and this period cycle exists. You all exist, and I want you to respect that fact and don't make fun of it or make the woman feel she is going through something dirty. It's high time that you all be a part of that life, because for a couple, these are the times when the man also realizes that he is pregnant too, because the woman bears the child of them both. So I want you all to consider that you are also a part of going through this menstrual cycle. Believe me, it's very difficult. The cramps, the mood swings, the hormonal imbalances are all real, and these are all, we are taking all that pain. That's why the nature cycle goes on. I used to curse this process earlier, but now that I bore 2 beautiful children out of this, I'm really grateful that I am healthy enough to period every month and be there with the women and girls in your life during this time. All they need is caressing and love, and I want you to realize, I want you to share their pain and support them. And when I mean share their pain, you cannot, I assure you, you cannot, because you cannot. But just be there for them, love them, support them, make them rest as much as they can, comfort them as much as you can comfort them, and make sure that you make them realize, educate them that it's natural. It is natural, and all you can do is be proud about it. Thank you so much, and I appreciate this opportunity of allowing me to speak up on this. I nominate every strong woman and every woman who wants to be strong but didn't get the push yet. I nominate all you women out there and all the men who are mard enough, manly enough to talk about it. Spread love. Take care.